Good morning from Iowa. Well, I guess we got frozen fog this morning. At least some of the slush has dried off. It must have warmed up. The ice, when I went to bed the last time I walked her, all of this was ice. The grass was. That's good. Hopefully it's not too big of a mess out there. She's been barking at something. Maybe the guy next to us, he's sitting up. He could have been screwing with her, so I just screwed. It's like 5 in the morning, but we went to bed early. We was done. Yep. Hopefully none of these guys got to leave too early and the interstate's not screwed up. We're not going anywhere today. We're stuck sitting. Can y'all see in this field it's not that foggy, but look up there at that light how fast that fog is just rolling through here. Pretty wicked.
Approaching 110-25 Grand Avenue on the right.
Well, I see the prime truck right there.
Take the next right.
I guess I'll turn into. No, I won't. I'm just going to pull up and stop here. Come on. Y'all come around me. Come around me. Well, y'all, I'm going to back up and just sit out here because they said not to park in front of the gate. And, so we're going to try to not do that, but I'm going to back up so these people can see to pull out and pull in and whatever have you. All right. I'm coming in here. Looks like this prime driver, he's asleep. Of course, I don't know what time his appointment is, but it's 7:24. And I have an 8 o'clock appointment. I walked up here, but there's a gate way, way, way up there. And I looked to see if he was up. He wasn't. If I gotta back out, I'll just get some practice today, which I can back up into there. Get out. No big deal. Stopped here. So she said they won't be out till about 8:30. Hang out in your truck or whatever. They'll come up and get me. I hope so. I'm here. Called. They just changed shifts and so she left. I called the guy and I'm like, I've got an 8 o'clock appointment. I'm here. Where do I need to go? So he's like, we're going to start unloading in a little bit. We'll come get you. But he said he could see me, so as far as I'm concerned, I've done got ahead of that other prime driver. Which, speaking of the devil, here he comes pulling up now. Woo! I'm horrible, ain't I? I ain't waking anybody up. You snooze, you lose. Alrighty, well, we are going in. My poor dog, she's got to use the bathroom, but there's nowhere to take her. It's 9:15 now. I should have been unloaded, gone. They sent me a pre-plan. It goes up Ames, Iowa. It's going up to Minnesota. I'll tell you what, I sure don't like going further away from home. It's 2 days from Minnesota to Silver Creek, so I can get there. Whether it's loaded or empty will be the question. Woo! Down here. Well, where you going, honey? Woo, I'm sliding. Hello, darling. Jesus. I need to stop and lock my differential. I'm trying to jackknife. Oh my God. Oh Lord. Just keep them wheels rolling. That's just how quick that happens out there on the ice, and you can't stop it. And that little bit of mud I was trying to jackknife at 3 miles an hour. So you imagine these jokers running wide open down the interstate. That oh my, that was fun till it wasn't. My ass out of that mud. This entrance looks scary from up where I'm sitting. Oh, this is much better. Much better. I'll let my dog out down here. Poor thing. She was so hungry yesterday. She ate 2 big old cans of dog food. She ate all of her dry food up. Of course, I give her a bunch of chicken jerky, duck jerky. She just had a good old time. Alrighty, they said do a U-turn. I video a little bit of it for my YouTube channel. Yeah, just a little bit. Now, that truck, it don't look like it, but it bounces up and down. You feel every bit of that. Shoot, he'll be done in 10 minutes as fast as he's going. It's going to take him longer to count than it is him to unload that. Do what?
He unloads fast.
Yeah. He's unloading real fast. Of course, look, he's getting a lot. I'm getting some good unloaders, but it's 11:25 right now. My next load's only like 30 or 40 miles from here. I picked up there quite a few times. They just got that one more section. Ooh, Lord. Hello. That scratched some paint off. And I guess just like that, I got another one in the books. All right, we are done here. We got that detention stamped. They said I didn't have to have an escort out of here. We are 50 miles from our next pickup. Gotta wait on Prime to come through. You can tell how slow he's going. He was sliding in that mud too. That was fun though. Till it wasn't. So we're gonna run to the Loves and go fuel up real quick. I just checked, it made it my fuel stop. They got a lot of ladies out here on the job site.